Hello, my name is Lee Bannister, and I will be your presenter as you learn about the color wheel. The world is full of colors. Our eyes are sensitive to different colors and color combinations. Even in this photo, our eyes are drawn to the blue skies, the orange buildings, and even the green plants. By the end of this lesson, you will be familiar with the color wheel, including primary, secondary, and tertiary colors, and where each of them appear on a 12-point color wheel. You will also understand color harmony, including analogous and complementary color combinations. Now I just want to see if you already know what a primary color is before I start my lesson. So, do you know what a primary color is? We are going to start today's lesson by looking at the color wheel. In reality, this is what a color wheel looks like. It's sort of like a rainbow, but in the shape of a donut. But it doesn't start like this. Over the next few slides, we are going to look at how the color wheel is built. All colors can be made up of three primary colors. The three primary colors are red, yellow, and blue, just like in the diagram. Not to be confused with your TV, which uses a different method of producing colors. When painters paint, they start with these three primary colors and begin mixing from here. When primary colors are mixed together, half and half or 50-50, they create what's called secondary colors. Secondary colors include purple, orange, and green. A painter can use these colors to avoid mixing too much of the primary colors together. When primary colors and secondary colors next to each other on the color wheel are mixed together, half and half or 50-50, they create what's called a tertiary color. Tertiary colors include such colors as red-orange, red-purple, blue-green, yellow-orange, and yellow-green. Once these paints are created, they are placed on the color wheel. This creates a 12-point color wheel which painters will use. Now we've come to our first question about primary colors. Which color is not a primary color? Blue, green, red, or yellow? The second question talks about the 12-point color wheel. Which is the correct 12-point color wheel? A, B, C, or D? Next we are going to look at color harmony. These are color combinations in paintings that end up being pleasing to the eye. Color harmony can be subdivided into two categories: analogous colors and complementary colors. We are going to first look at analogous colors. Analogous colors are any three colors on the 12-point color wheel which are side by side to each other. Notice how the plant in the picture has been painted with three colors that are next to each other on the color wheel, and how using these colors has created a very pleasing painting. Here are two more paintings that have been painted with analogous colors. The fire on the left-hand side has been painted with yellow, orange, and red, while the painting of the cold winter day has been painted with purple, and blue. Next we are going to look at complementary colors. Each color on the color wheel has a complementary color. It is the color that is opposite to the color you first choose. For example, yellow is complementary to purple, and vice versa. On this slide, we see that there are three paintings that use complementary colors. We have the purple and yellow flowers, the orange sunset with blue trees, and the limes on a red plate. Why do you think artists use complementary colors when painting? During this lesson, we looked at the color wheel, including primary, secondary, and tertiary colors, and which category each color falls into. We also learned about color harmony, including analogous colors, which are colors next to each other, and complementary colors, which are colors opposite to each other. Thank you so much for listening to my presentation. Now go, be creatively colorful.